I just love my piece journal. It's a creative space where I can write all of my creative dreams and make them happen. So the piece journal, I wanted something that had a lot of freedom. There are monthly sections, so there are pages for every month, a calendar, but the remaining pages are actually dot grid and they're blank. The strategy behind this is I wanted space where I could write or draw and use this instead of just as a planner, also as a journal, and develop a lot of my creative ideas. So I didn't find anything out there that I could use like this, and that's where this idea came from. It is, every month is organized into 4 sections. There is, it's called a C.A.L.M approach. So C is for create. The first section is about dreams and plans that you can write or draw. The art section is C.A. Art is for learn and inspire. And you can draw anything you want. You can sketch some ideas you have for your latest project. Whether you're a quilter, a sewer, whether you're an artist, whether you're an illustrator, everything can take place and you can write down everything in this planner. The next letter in C.A.L.M is love. And these few pages are for writing and reflecting on things you love, things you're passionate about, what inspires you in the art world. The last section is called M for make, so C.A.L.M, and make and play is maybe some more hands-on, handmade projects that you would like to work on and develop and play with. So the dot grid is wonderful because you can, with very little effort, you can design whatever kind of a layout you would like for that month. And to do so, you can use a variety of pens. So the fine liner is a nice pen to use in the journal. So you could write anything you want and do even a faux calligraphy. So aside from the fine liners in your journal, you can use the Dream pen. So the Dream pen has a large brush tip and a small brush tip. The piece journal has some accessory kits. One is the piece journal divider set. Now this is a really great set of 12 hard cardstock, stiff cardstock, and they divide your months up. So I would put this in front of the month, and then I would use a little tab maker and create these little tab stickers and add that on as well. Take this off, and then you can just stick it on and have a month divider like that, and you can write on that as well. It also comes with a really handy ruler, a clear transparent ruler and divider, so you can put this wherever month you are in the journal. Another accessory for the piece journal is the alphabet review sheets. I am very excited about these because they are great for practicing and adding these to your piece journal and doing them on the go. So there are sheets in here for both large and small brush pens. The small brush pen set is perfect for these. You can use all these different rainbow of colors. And you can trace them. And then place them into your journal. The journal accessory kit is going to make you really happy because it has stickers and washi tape and a brush pen and some tabs. The great thing about these sticker sheets is they are punched with holes, and you can pop these and keep them in your journal. So these stickers are clear and so pretty. You can put them anywhere you like on any page you're working on, and it looks beautiful. Then you have your small brush pen in black, and the tabs are in craft color, which is really nice, and they're also paper surface so you can write on them. The washi tape is really fun with the words on them that you can place in your planner as well.